I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing an intermediate/advanced technique exercise that helps work on riff timing, like being really precise with your riffs. And so I call this step that we're going to be doing like a spring riff or a jump riff. I don't know what you guys call it. Please let me know what you call it. It's just kind of what I've started terming it as. I didn't even learn this step except like by watching it, so no one ever told me the name of it. I've just been calling it a spring riff because we spring into the riff. So how to do this step, you're just going to kind of jump onto your foot and then 3-count riff. And it goes E and a 1. So your heel is still going to be on 1, like as if you were doing like a 5-count riff. And a 1 and 2. It's still going to be on 1. So it's E and a 1 and 2. So E and a 1. So it's a jump or a spring or a like leap. Maybe it's a leap riff. I don't know. So it's like a leap and then a 3-count riff. Brush stuff here. And that is essentially the step for this. So the pattern goes, I'm going to call them jump riffs because that's how I wrote it, and that's going to just, I don't want to mess that up, but I'm going to call them jump riffs, but spring riffs, leap riffs, however you want to call it, this is the step. So jump riff, spank, step, heel. So your right foot's going to come back and go spank, step, heel, or brush, step, heel. Then you have paradiddle stamp. So it's E and a 1, and 2, and 3, and a 4. And then you do it again. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. E and a 1, and 2, step, paradiddle stamp. E and a 5, and step, heel, paradiddle stamp. You really want to time it so it's not like, it's da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da, 8 and a 1, E and a 1. You want to really make that as even as possible. So let's try that. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Twice through. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Good. Let's go tiny bit faster. Tiny bit faster. And a 1, and 2, and 3, E and a 4. And a 5, and 6, and 7, and a 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next part. Jump, riff, spank, step, jump, riff, spank, step. So this time you're leaving out the rest of it. You have the jump, riff, brush back, step, go again. Brush back, step. And then you finish it off with almost the same thing as the beginning. Riff, spank, step, heel. Don't do the paradiddle stamp. You finish it off with so ball change step, because that leads us into the other side. I love an exercise that naturally goes from one side to the other. I love it. We are starting with a jump on the left because the riff in this case is on the right. So that's why I'm leaning towards starting that way. You can start the other way. It's totally fine. So the whole pattern is riff, spank, step, heel, paradiddle, step. Again, riff, spank, step, heel, paradiddle, step. 1, and step, spank, step, heel, paradiddle. And then you would be free to go on the other side. So let's try all that together. Ready? Then E and a 1, and 2, and 3, E and a 4. Let's go that fast, because I feel like it's faster is a little bit easier to keep it in rhythm. So I want to go a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. Let's try it on the other side. It won't be that bad. Let's try it. Ready? So the pattern is, let's just start by trying a jump riff on this side. So you jump right, riff left. And really try to control. That's the word I was looking for. Control the rhythm of the jump and the riff. So it'll go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 6, and mess that up. At the end it is pas de bourrée, so that you can go to this side. Okay, now let's try this side. My apologies for messing that up. So, left side or right jump, left riff is what we're doing. 5. Da 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 da. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad, right? Okay, now for the real challenge. Let's go this side and then immediately go into the next side. Then we'll try that with music. Let's do it. So, this side first. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I started out saying things and then at some point I was just like, you know, for the integrity of the rhythm, I can't talk. I'm working so hard on getting my speaking while tapping like lung capacity back, but it's just not there yet. I'm working. I'm doing a lot of cardio. All right, shall we try this with music? I'm deciding to turn the tempo down just a tiny bit because I feel like the song is a little fast. So we're just gonna go about 10% slower. Just letting you guys know that in case you click the link to the song in the description and you're like, wait a second, this is a little fast. I am turning it to about 90% original tempo. All right, let's give it a shot. One side straight into the other. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tempo just for funsies so we can try it a little faster. Because once I did that, I was just like, all right, that's a little slower than we were even doing it. So, normal tempo. What's the worst that happens? Let's give it a shot. We got this. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. You know what? I kind of want to do that again. Just one more time at that tempo. Mostly because it was just really, really fun and I want to do it again. So why not, for the sake of filming, do it one more time, right? Let's do it. Hold on to that tempo. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doing this exercise with me today. This is probably one of the most fun exercises I've ever come up with. I'm so happy with it and I cannot wait to bring it to class when I have class again. We're on a little break at all of my studios, so it's like recital season. So the next time I have class, I'm going to be very excited to bring this to class. So hopefully you've really enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this of all levels. So if you're more toward a beginner, I've got tons of exercises at that level. If you're more advanced, I've got tons of exercises at that level. I've got choreography tutorials where you can learn a combination to a song. And then I've got technique exercises where you can just learn a step. And yeah, tons of content. It's all free for you on this channel. So this is your YouTube tap dance studio, and I'm happy to be your teacher. So don't forget to subscribe, but also hit the thumbs up because it tells YouTube people like tap dance. And we do. So subscribe, thumbs up. I hope you had fun with me today. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.